is my school project. This is an igloo. Can you identify what are the objects I used for this project? I will tell you. This is a cardboard box covered with white paper with glue. And this is like snow. It's actually cotton. And this igloo, I cut a plastic ball into half. Then I coated with white cement. And I painted it with blue paint. Then this is a part of a plastic bottle and these lines are blue sketch. Then these are cotton like snow. And these are some small toys like reindeer and Eskimos. This is my school project. This is a very simple project. You can also try. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more educational videos, learning tips, action songs